Today we'll discuss about the equivalence of push-down automata and context-free grammar. At first, we have to convert the context-free grammar to corresponding the PDA, that is push-down automation. Now, in this context, we have to follow the 4 steps. Those are: first, convert the grammar into the corresponding GNF, and the step 2, that is Q0 be the initial state and Z0 is the initial symbol of the stack, and without getting any input, push the start symbol onto the stack and change the state to Q1. So here the important points is to convert to the corresponding PDA. So we have to convert the GNF to the corresponding delta form in PDA, right? So at the first step, you know that any grammar can be represented by V sigma P S, and where the S is a start symbol. So in this GNF, there should have a start symbol. So first, Q0 is the initial state and the stack, top of the stack is Z0. And without consuming any input, push the stack symbol S to onto the stack and change the state Q1. So here the transition from for this state, that is delta Q0, where Q0 is the initial state, without consuming any input. So without consuming any input, so the lambda is here. Z0 is the initial symbol of the stack. So Z0 is there. So the delta, that is the transition function, U0 is the initial state without taking any input, that is delta, and Z0 is the initial symbol on the stack. Now push the start symbol, that is S, onto the stack. So Z0 already within the stack, and S is to push onto the stack. So S0 is now in the stack, right? And change the state to Q1. So Q1 comma is Z0. So the step 2 point, that is let Q0. So the transition function delta Q0 without consuming any input, that is null. So transition function delta Q0 comma null. Z0 is the initial symbol on the stack. So delta Q0 Q0 lambda comma Z0 is equal to push the start symbol onto the stack. So stack already Z0 within this stack. So we have to push a S onto the stack. So S Z0 now in the stack. So S Z0 is there, and also Q1, it can change the state Q0 to Q1. So Q1 comma S Z0. Understood what I am saying? Okay. So step 2. Now step 3. If any production in the form A to A alpha, that is in GNF form, where A belongs to variable, A belongs to sigma, and alpha belongs to any combinations of variables, that is alpha belongs to variable closure. So we can introduce the transition, that is delta. This is a terminal. So delta, where we are now in this Q1 state. So Q1 A is a stack. So we have to say the same state Q1, and we have push alpha onto the stack. That is the main concept. For any productions A to small a alpha, where the transition function is alpha Q1 comma A comma capital A is equal to Q1 comma alpha. And finally, we are now Q1 state. So without consuming any input, so Q1, the transition function Q1 without consuming any input, that is this Z is onto the stack, and we have to change the state QF, that is final state, and the Z is now the, we have to write onto the stack. So the steps, 4 steps, that is first we have to check the CNF. There is a context free grammar, that is CFG. We have to convert any production in corresponding the JNF form, right? Then the first step is we have to convert any production in JNF form, right? Now the step 2 is for any production, first we are now Q0 state without consuming any input. Z0 is the top of the stack, so the transition function delta Q0 comma lambda comma Z0 change the state to Q1. So Q1 and push the start symbol onto the stack. So Z0 is already within the stack. So S is now pushed onto the stack. So S0 is now in the stack. So Q1 comma S Z0, right? And the and any other production. So you are now in Q1 state after completing the step 2, you are now Q1 state. So the transition function delta Q1 for any productions A to A alpha. So alpha, so transition function delta Q1 comma alpha comma A onto the stack is equal to Q1. You are now in the same state Q1, and you have to push alpha onto the stack. So Q1 comma alpha. And the finally, you are now Q1 state. You have to change the state to QF. So without consuming any input, so you are now the transition function like this, alpha comma alpha of Q1 without taking any input. So Q1 comma lambda comma Z is onto the stack is equal to, you have to change the state to QF. So QF comma Z. So that those the steps are for converting the CNF, sorry, converting the CFG to the corresponding PDA. Now I have given an example for this grammar. First we have to check those grammars are already in CNF form, that is S2 small a alpha, where alpha belongs to variable closures. So now the first state Q0 is the initial state and Z0 is the initial symbol on the stack. So push, here the start symbol is S. So push the start symbol is on the stack and change the state to Q1. So delta, the transition function delta Q0 without consuming any input, that is null, and Z0 is onto the stack, that is Z0. So you have changed the state Q1 and push the top of the stack start symbol onto the top of the stack. So S0, Z0. Now for the any production in this form, that is S2 small a capital A B C. So the corresponding transition function delta Q1, A is a terminal symbol. So delta this A, so consuming A as input, S is the top of the stack, and we have to go to the state, that is Q1, and push the alpha, that is ABC, onto the stack. Clear? For the next step, production, that is A2 small a B, So you are now in Q1 state. So Q1 consuming A as input. So A capital is the top of the stacks, capital A. You are now Q1 state and B push onto the stack. Clear? Similarly, A to small a, so alpha is now lambda, that is null. So delta Q1 comma small a capital A is onto the stack is equal to Q1 comma lambda, because alpha is here null. Clear? For the last three productions, B to small b, here B2 small b, capital A, so delta Q1 small b, capital B is equal to Q1A. Here A, so Q1A. Similarly, B2 small b, where delta Q1, this B is here, B, this B is here, top of the stack, that is Q1 lambda. Clear? The last production, that is C2A, that is state delta Q1 comma A comma C is the top of the stack to Q1, that is alpha is null, so Q1 comma lambda, right? So finally in the state Q1, without consuming any input, change the state to corresponding final state QF. So the delta Q1 comma lambda, that is without consuming any input, comma J is equal to QF comma J. So those are the corresponding productions and the corresponding delta transition of PDA, right? As per the previous example. Okay, that's all. If you have any query for this example, you mail me or you have to contact with my phone number. Thank you.